Boxer in professional boxing, a big right hand up.
Pinay nakasungkit ng panibagong titulo sa bansang Thailand. Sa kakatapos lang nalaban sa bansang Thailand, ay napalaban ang ating kababayang si Norge Guro. Ito ay laban sa Thai na si Ponakran Karnjanawong na isang mulong raw na bakbakan sa Atomweight Division.
Looks slightly nervous on YouTube right now. Thailand taking on. Guro just very relentless and active. 10 seconds to go of round number 1. Atomweight title fight. Thailand. And it's your opponent. Big right hand gets down. Got to be careful when you're going back against Norge Guro. If she goes into the orthodox, orthodox against an orthodox is a lot easier. Against the southpaw usually has the advantage. Guro marches toward Lee. Used to say, if you can hold your opponent, you can see the punches coming. Both fighters in the corner, final moment. Both fighters in the center of the ring, and a big left. Boxer in professional boxing, a big right hand up. Right, we are in the 6th round. Norge Guro.
Naging aktibo man ang Thai sa kabuuan ng laban, pero puro hangin lang naman ang kanyang tinatamaan. Hindi kagaya sa Pinay na naging solido ang mga suntok na binibitawan. Kaya naman pinanalo ng Pinay ang laban sa isang unanimous decision at nasungkit ang inaasam na titulo ng WIBA.